So we are measuring correlation using Pearson's product moment. In this example, specifically, is by how much does study hours affect your score. And we are on step number 5, you will, or value number 5, the fifth number. We have to calculate the fifth number. And as we can see, it says that we have to find the square of y first, then we add, and then we multiply by the number of pairs. And if you notice, number 5, the fifth number, is similar to the third number. What we did for the x's, we are doing it for the y's. The fourth number is similar to the sixth number. What we did for the x's, we did for the y. Okay, so now we're on the fifth number. We have to square the y's, add them up, and then multiply by n. Okay, and please never forget that you are in correlation. We are analyzing the correlation between two variables, and this is very popular in statistical research. Most times when you're doing a research project, you will always very popularly say, what are the factors? So once you say what are the factors, it's like, what are the factors affecting? So a factor affecting another one. Okay, so therefore now variables affecting each other. Okay, now this effect, now we can just stay in words, that will be subjective, but this effect can also be measured to get a value, to get a number. Okay, so then the analysis will be more objective. Okay, so that is what is basically going on. We are using this measuring device to measure the effect, because score can be viewed as a dependent variable, and one of the factors, you hear the language, one of the factors that affecting score is study time, the amount of time you spend studying. That's just one of the factors, and that effect can be measured, all right, by using Pearson's product moment. There are other formulas. Okay, so bear in mind, remember that's what's actually taking place, and we're on the fifth number. And to do this manually, we can go to this column here, the fifth column, and square the y's. Where are the y's? Here they are, 30. You can type 30 square. 30 times 30 is equal, you get 900. But imagine in a real research, you have 500 values. Are you going to manually type in your calculator 500 values? This will be, too cumbersome. Okay, so you go to an app. Here we specifically using Excel. We have our values listed already. Here are our y values. So we just create a column called y squared. Okay, and basically we go in the second row and we type equal, and we want to find the first y squared. The first y is in B2, so we just click on B2, and here B2 appears, and you just simply type enter. But if you notice, I just type enter, but I did not square B2, so that's why Excel just give me 30, and that's it. So let's go back and let's go by B2, shift 6. That's where you have the upward arrow, squaring to the power of 2, enter, 900. Okay, B2 squared, 30 times 30, 900. And to get the others, just go to our green little rectangle in the lower right corner, double click on it, and bam, we get all our y squareds. In that example, it's just 7 of them, but imagine 30 in the project, or 900, 200. In a split second, you can get all your y squareds and automatically sum these values instead of saying 900 plus 40, 4225 plus, you can just click on sum and enter, and you have your sum of your y squares. But we are not through. Bear in mind, we have to multiply the sum of y squared by n. N is 7. So therefore now we can come here, we can say n, type n times the sum of y squared is equal to, and in this cell, we just type equal, all right? N is 7 times, and the times now is the asterisk. As you can see, that's another symbol for multiplication. And the sum of y squared, here it is, it's in E9. Just click on E9 and just type enter. And here is the n times the sum of y squared. Here is our fifth number in the Pearson's product moment formula, measuring correlation using Pearson's product moment. We are on our fifth number now. And here it is.